Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week we are going shopping at HomeGoods, aka my second favorite place in the world, next to Disney World. That's really all I have to say about this. Let's go shopping. Easter is coming. I love all the little egg things now. I used to not like it, but I think it's really, really cute. I'm really into the bunnies. The older I get, the more and more into holidays I get. Oh my god, this is so adorable. It is $6.99. Ah. It's so cute, and it's like classy. I really like these like robin eggs. This is a really cute thing. This is $12.99. Guys, I'm so obsessed with these. These would look so good in my room. How much are these? Oh, this one's crooked, but this one is $39.99. It is so cool. And if you had to, you can like take it off the stand and just like hang it straight directly on the wall. This one is also really cool. So boho. I love it. I'm very obsessed with it. Vibrant India. Yes. I also really like these. I don't really know what oh, it's on a stand. I thought it was just like a wall hanging. Those are really cool too. The boho texture vibe is still in full swing. I love that. Ooh, yes.
I like the white.
Yes, a white salt lamp. It's only $16.99. Oh my god, it is a llama bookend. That is so funny. You can display it like that, or you can separate some books with it. This guy is $14.99. I'm assuming it's for both. What is this one? Oh, it might be $14.99 each, so you have to buy the head and the butt. What if someone just bought the head and just left this butt here? That's ridiculous. I love, so I'm assuming this is very fake, but I love when people will stack up the books on like a shelf or something and then put this on top of it. This one is $14.99. So like on a shelf you would have a couple layered books and then you top it off with that. It looks amazing. Oh, so we happen to come over here. Here's a cool bookend. Here's another like bookend. This is on sale for $10. Guys, if you want to see my crystal collection, leave a comment below because I was thinking about doing that video pretty soon, but I will show you how I decorate with all of my crystals in my apartment. And yeah, let me know if that's something that you're interested in. These would look so good on my bed.
Nice texture.
Mm-hmm. Prices? Oh, these are $40 each. That's rough. But I'm in love with these. Look at all the textured pillows that they have right now.
Guys, if you are decorating your place and for some reason it feels really flat and stale, or you just can't figure out what it is that you need to bring into your space, it's probably texture. So textured pillows, textured rugs, textured blankets, all of this is great for sprucing up a place. Oh yes, I love that. I don't even know.
That's really cool.
Yes, like that's the vibe I'm channeling.
That's really cool.
That's like what I'm going for in my room. I don't know where I'd put that. Probably, love it. Well, that's interesting. It's a coffee table. We keep marking it down. It's now 119. That'd actually be really cool if you bought it and spray painted it white. Like a high gloss white would look really cool. Ooh, that's way too expensive for that, but they're cool. The selenite stuff. And the other ones like here. Oh my god, this was so cute. This bunny thing, this is $10. It's cute. This one's cute. They're all cute. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this stuff. I used to never ever like it. I would hate it actually. And I'm like very obsessed with it. And actually, I might get this. I don't know what I'll put in it, but I love, it's only $7.99. I'll put something in it. Maybe even if I end up putting it in my closet for some stuff. I love this. Buying it. This stuff's really cool too. So conflicted. I like so many different styles. Ooh, holy bling. I love these, and then you can put in like a light pink hand soap. Oh, that would look so nice and like rich and elegant and luxurious.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.